Hi, my name is Chris Evans from Diamond Medical, and today we are with the staff from Claybar. And we're going to show you how to put out a live fire within a fire extinguisher. When it comes to a fire, every second counts. The biggest mistakes that people make when putting out a fire on a job site is one, not knowing where the fire extinguisher is, and two, not knowing how to use it. If somebody has never been properly trained on how to use a fire extinguisher, or they've never used one before, what can happen is that they can actually spread the fire and make it worse. Our live fire extinguisher training is a little bit different than others. We have a simple, fun, in-classroom instruction going over basic safety methods. But then when we head outside, that's where the real fun begins. Participants actually get to put their hands on the extinguisher. They go through the whole thing. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Everybody gets to put out a live fire. At the end of it, they have a sense of accomplishment, knowing that they can actually do it when the moment counts. Diamond Medical Services has a strong emergency services background. We bring that knowledge to the classroom, but we also keep the environment safe and fun. Our goal is to remove the fear and replace with confidence. I would like to extend a big thank you to Claybar for being the host of this live fire extinguisher training event. And remember, if you're looking for training, diamondmedical.ca.